Hi there guys, I just wanted to show you a quick overview of how to find the correct templates for what you're going to be doing for your project on Canva. So you guys are going to be using a presentation template, okay? So on your home page, this is what your home page should look like when you log into Canva. It may be up here in your recommended templates, okay? So if it is, you're going to click on the presentation templates, or you can find them by going through one of these categories up top. They're usually in the school category. You will find the presentation templates there. So you're going to click on that, and that's going to open up your design there. Okay. Now I've already got one opened up here. Okay. It gives you different categories of templates here that you can pick from. So you can kind of look through these and see which one you like best, okay? Now remember, these are just templates, so you are going to have to personalize them to fit your project, okay? So if you would like to include lots of charts and graphs and stuff, you might want to choose one of these visual charts presentations. If you want to have like cool geometric stuff to it, you might want to pick one of these cool presentations, okay? You got to go through that, but the stuff that is already on there probably will not apply to what you need to accomplish for your project. So you're going to have to edit some stuff out, okay? There might be pictures on those slides that don't match what your project is about, so please do not leave those on there, okay? So I'm going to click on the visual charts presentations and see what's there, okay? There's different slides for different kinds of charts and data and stuff, so if you'd like to go that way, you can. If you would like to go more traditional presentation, okay, you might want to look through some of the simple presentations. Those are a little more similar to what you would find in the Google Slides and PowerPoint and stuff, okay? So let's pick a template, okay? And then that will load the template here, okay? Now you can go through and pick just specific pages that you would like to add to your presentation. So if you like a certain layout, you can add those, okay? I'm just going to click apply all 15 pages because we don't know how many pages we're going to need or anything like that, okay? So all of them are loaded here. Okay, and then you're going to go through and add in the information that you need to add in. So what you are going to be doing on this presentation is answering those 4 questions that are listed here in part 2. Okay, so those 4 questions are what need to be addressed on your slides. Okay, now these should not be like 1 question per slide and it's just word vomit on every slide, okay? You might need to break up some of the questions into multiple slides, and that is totally okay. In fact, I would encourage you to do that, okay? But once you have your presentation all done, then what you're going to do is make sure that your title of your presentation, oh, I'm in the wrong one, title of your presentation is your name dash chapter 3 populations project. Okay. Then once you are finished with that, you will get ready to turn it all in and stuff. That will be covered in a separate video on how to turn in your project, so make sure that you watch that before you get to turning in your stuff. Okay. If you have any questions on that, let me know, but that should cover how to navigate to get to the correct templates for this project.